हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू माय हक से ऑफिशियल चैनल। आशा करता हूँ आप सब बढ़िया होंगे। सो हियर वी गो।
So coming to a demonstration of a process, here you can see this is the Microsoft Power Automate desktop tool, and by using this tool we are going to demonstrate a process. And this left hand panel you can see these are all the, you can say, as actions which we are going to drag and drop here. Simply by doing that and applying some logic, we can use all these actions. I have prepared an Excel sheet where you can see the products. These are all the three products, and here the description and the price in dollar. By using this Excel sheet, what we are going to do, we are going to pick one by one row from here, and we will use the Amazon site and we will search this product, and whatever the details it will come, it will just capture the description of that product model as well as the price of that product model, and we'll write into this Excel sheet these two columns. So this is the process, and let's see. First we are going to launch that Excel. Here you can type like this, it will come whatever required. Here we can open the following document. It's present in this folder. After launching, we are going to find the first free row column. For that we have to write get first, this one actually, get first free column slash row from Excel worksheet. Why this? Because just to find the free column and the free row from that Excel sheet, if we will say the work of that get free first is to pick this one till how much row the data is filled, and the extra one which is a free one, till this it will fetch, and then by using that variable we have to just mention it as -1 so that it can pick up to this filled row, that is the fourth one. Till fourth it will pick. I'll check it. So here after this we have to read from Excel worksheet, this one. Here we have to select the range of cells, and the column should be always 1, row should always 1, and this end column we have to pick that output here, first free column, and here as I have told we have to mention -1. Here same thing for row, -1. So you can check here, this is what I have already told, it should be -1, and here in the advanced field we have to check that all the cell content should be text, and the first row should be the header one. We have to select this, otherwise it will pick the header one also. And this is the variable Excel data. So here with this 3 code we can able to pick the whatever data is there in that Excel. So from here we have to then use the for each, which is nothing but the for loop. Here what we will do, just to iterate the rows, how many rows are there, the loop will iterate that much time. Excel data will be there here, and this is the output of that loop, current item. And inside this, what we have to do, we have to just launch the Amazon site and we need to search the products one by one. So launch new Chrome shouldn't be inside flow. It should be outside flow because it should be only open at once. Otherwise it will open every time. It will keep inside the loop. So here we have to write that site name URL. Amazon.com. This is sufficient, and the Windows state should be in maximize format. And this is the output of that browser. It's done. Coming to then the next process is we have to repeat the populate code should be repeated. So first we will just open it. Amazon. So here it should be search and it should click every time. So we will use the spy populate text field on web page. Okay, we'll use here inside the loop, and here the UI element we should select this one we have to select. How we will select? Just by hovering on it and just click control and left click of the mouse. We'll select, and here you can find this one. Done. Selected. So here what it should populate the text should be current item as we got it from the loop, and here we have to put the index. The index should be the product is present in the first column, so we have to write it the index as 0. Okay, it will populate automatically. And after this populating, we have to write the code to click that one. Search bar, click links on this one. Here same process, control and left click. It's done. Wait for the page to load. If any of the pop-up appears in between, close it. These are the features which are available in this tool. In between the two actions we can put a delay. So for that we can use wait for 2 seconds. Just for the smoothness of the process, we can just apply a static wait, or you can say it as a delay. So populate and click is done. After clicking, what we have to do, we have to pick the description. For example, I am typing Lenovo, enter. Here this description, it should pick the model as well as the features. This one as well as I need this price $1349. This one the bot should pick. For that we will write get details activity. This is for web page. Get details of element we should write here. Same by choosing the UI element. Okay, control and left click. It's done. So here we will get that output, the description. So we will just change it, DSC for description. Copy this one, and after this description we should write into that Excel sheet. We have to write the description what we got from the site. We have to write the value on a specified cell, and that description portion is present in second column, and this row here, the row should be dynamic. So for that, we will just type a variable as DSC. Okay, and we will just, it will show it error because the variable is not present. So we will just set a variable for that. It should be outside the loop, and the row should be 2 for first time, and we will increment it in between. After writing to Excel, we can increment it. Increase that variable by 1. So after every iteration, it will just increase one count, and it will populate accordingly. So description portion is done. Now we need to get details of the price one. Okay, this one. Now it's time to pick the price. Okay, control left click. I'm just showing with 1, but it will dynamically pick for all the 3 rows. Here we'll write the price. Okay, same thing, we have to write it to Excel. Here we'll write that, paste on a, now the price is in third column, and this row we have taken create a price. This ampersand symbol, this percentage symbol is to declare a variable. So this one we have to again create a variable for that. Same, and we will increment it. I will increment it. Here we can search it. Price. Okay, done. So now the description portion is done, and the price portion is done. And after one iteration, here after fetching this for Lenovo, this page should go back, and we'll do for another one. So for that, going back to the previous, we have this one, go to web page. And this go to web page, we have to just navigate it to the back. Nothing else is required, and this is as usual, wait for the page to load. Done. And this, close it, save. So this will work accordingly, and at the end of the loop, what we will do after completing all the 3 rows, the browser should close. We have to close the browser. This is for the best practice, and we will do that. Automatically it came as it is only for one browser is present. That's it. Closing browser is done. You can also close Excel, but I want to show you the output, that's why I'm not closing the Excel. So done, this is what the process is. Everything is okay. Here I will show that exception, right? On error, we can, if any of the error occurs in that browser portion, we can just repeat it. We can handle it like this. So here this symbol, it will come in the left hand side, and if this symbol come, then this exception is handled. So we can do it for rest, but as of now we are just going with one, and let's save this. Here we can save it. Process is saved, and close it. Let's run this. Lenovo, clicked, pick the price as well as description, went back, again searched for Dell, enter, pick the details, went back, searched for Acer, searched, pick the details, so here you can check this Excel sheet where you can find the details, whatever it fetched from that Amazon site. These are the prices, these are all the descriptions. That's it.